Yeah.
Hello, this is Greg. Hey, it's MAINE'S Food Reviews coming once again for the power of YouTube.
Just a little smile, go a
So,
long
guys,
way.
this is a Nature's Path Organic Love Crunch, guys.
Yeah.
Premium organic granola. Dark chocolate and peanut butter, guys.
Sorry if I seem weird, guys, but
He is. He's
I'm a little bit
weird.
hyper.
He's always weird.
I had a lot of sugar today.
How much sugar, Chris?
Lot.
How much? You didn't tell me
The
about this.
nerds had a lot of sugar in it.
Chris, that was only 2 minutes ago.
Okay,
No, like,
but anyways, here we go.
These we got from Kroger.
Yeah, and
They're nutritious
granola.
facts, 10 servings per container, serving size 1/4 cup, calories 150 calories, total fat 5, saturated fat 0.5%, polyester fat 1, body strudium fat 3, cholesterol 0, sodium 75, carbs 18, dietary fiber 2, total sugar 6, including 6 added sugars and 4 grams of protein.
And this, on top of that, it's organic, guys. Yeah. Kroger always gives us organic stuff, so that's good.
So,
Yeah.
and I'm not going to read all this, guys, because it's very hard for to read, but I'll bring it on camera, guys.
Yeah.
So if you want to
There you
read that,
go. There you go.
pause the video, read
Yeah.
that,
Really small words.
and with the video.
It's called Love Crunch, guys. Dark chocolate and peanut butter.
No, I'm not going to read that because that will hurt my eyes, especially that color red.
Yeah.
I don't know about you. If it hurts your eyes, do not read it.
And I heard granola is really good in cereal, so you
Right.
guys. Ooh, good peanut butter smell.
I'm going to take the big pieces and give them the big pieces to me and give the small pieces to Chris. These are the piece I'm going to give to Chris.
Peace. No, it's
Chris.
good. What?
That's all you're getting. No,
Wow.
no, Chris. No. yeah, Chris.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Now we're talking.
What are you going to scale this guy's 1 being the worst and 10 being the best?
I'm a big granola fan, though. Wow. Wow.
The chocolate pieces.
Man, I'm gonna give this a 10 too.
We give these as a 9.
Right.
Give this as a 9. They're good.
Like I said to Greg, this is really good in cereal. Mix it with your cornflakes, anything, yeah.
I've had regular granola and cereal, and it's pretty good.
Nope. To add sugar, always add granola. Your substitute.
I like the chocolatey peanut butter taste to it. I'm a big chocolate peanut butter fan. Definitely like Reese's peanut butter cups, so. I think it actually tastes pretty rich, too. Like, you could probably just pour milk in this, and it'll make a already made cereal. You wouldn't
Right,
even,
yeah, you can use this for cereal.
You wouldn't even need to put cereal in it. You just have this as a cereal.
Nope.
So, but definitely like it. So, anyway, shout out to Nature's Path Organic. Did a good job. Definitely worth it. If you guys are allergic to peanuts, definitely don't recommend this because it's produced in a
It's got peanuts in it.
factory that uses milk, tree nuts, and wheat and soy. And it contains peanuts as well. So, so there you go.
Really crunchy too. That's what you want granola to be. So.
We'll see a peanut right there.
So guys, if you like organic food, this is for you. If you ain't allergic to peanuts.
We got it from the Kroger food box.
So go for Anthem stuff.
Anthem,
it's awesome. Yeah.
You get some good stuff. So
yeah.
Anyway, guys, also check out our video with Anthem unboxing video of October. We're gonna post it in the videos. So coming up. So anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, Maine's Food Reviews. For more just gotcha. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button.
And
as always, peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.